It is estimated that there are more than 7 million species of animals on the planet. The animal kingdom is apparently a diverse place. The vastness of earthly biodiversity may be well known, however, the incredible facts that our animals possess are often hidden to humans. Come on, let us see some amazing fact about animals. Sea turtles have special glands which help separate salt from the water they drink. Turtles are reptiles and are also cold-blooded. In few species of turtle, the temperature determines if the egg will develop into a male or female. Lower temperature leads to a male, whereas higher one to a female. Few turtles lay eggs in the sand and leave them to hatch on their own. The baby turtles make their path to the top of the sand and crawl to the water while avoiding predators. The largest turtle is the leather-back sea turtle. It weighs over 900 kilograms. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. Actually, the heart of shrimp is located on its thorax, the region just after the head. However, it seems that it is situated in its head. Since the head and thorax is totally covered with a single exoskeleton, therefore, shrimp's thorax is mistaken as still part of the shrimp's head. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Snails need moisture to survive, therefore, during hibernation, they secrete a layer of mucus into their shells. This is known as estivation, that enables snails to hibernate for up to 3 years at a stretch. A grizzly bear's bite is strong enough to crush a bowling ball. According to National Geographic, grizzly bears have a bite force of over 8 million pascals. It means they can literally crush a bowling ball between their jaws. Wild chimps like to drink. According to a journal published by Royal Society Open Science in 2015, chimpanzees in Guinea had a fondness for consuming fermented palm sap and getting merry in the process. Octopuses can taste with their arms. According to the Library of Congress, the octopuses can taste and grab with the suckers on their arms. Squirrels will adopt orphans. Squirrels have a passionate motherly instinct. According to a study by researchers at the University of Guelph in 2010 found that the animals will take in the orphan pups to their family. Female lions do 90% of the hunting. According to CBS News, lionesses, not male lions, do the majority of hunting for their pride. Puffins use twigs to scratch their bodies. According to a study published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences (PNAS) in 2019, Atlantic puffins were observed spontaneously using a small wooden stick to scratch their bodies. Dolphins have names for each other. Scientists have found further evidence that dolphins call each other by a name. Research has revealed this marine mammals use a unique whistle to identify each other. Tigers are the biggest species of the cat family. They can reach a length of up to 3.3 meters and weigh almost 300 kilograms. Subspecies of the tiger are Royal Bengal tiger, Sumatran tiger, South China tiger, Malayan tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Siberian tiger. Many subspecies of the tiger are either endangered or already extinct. Humans are the primary reason of their extinction through hunting and the destruction of habitats. Tigers can easily jump over 5 meters long. Tiger cubs leave their mother around the age of 2 years. Usually tigers hunt alone at night time. They can reach speed up to 65 kilometers per hour. Tigers can swim up to 6 kilometers. Less than 10% of tigers' hunts are successful. Horses are the closest relative of the rhinos. There is only one surviving branch of the horse family, the equus. It includes not only Equus caballus, the domesticated horse, but also the Przewalski horse, zebras, asses and donkeys. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Horses are being domesticated for over 5,000 years. Horses have bigger eyes than any other mammal living on land. Horses gallop at around 44 kilometers per hour. The fastest recorded speed of a horse was 88 kilometers per hour. Owls can turn their heads almost 270 degrees. There are around 200 different species of owl found. The color of owls' feathers helps them to camouflage, blend into their environment. Barn owl can be recognized by its heart-shaped face. A group of owls is known as parliament. Most of the owls hunt insects, small mammals and other birds, whereas few owl species hunt fishes. Owls are farsighted. It means they can't see things clearly that are close to their eyes. Owls are very quiet in flight compared to other preying birds. Parrots selflessly help each other. Most of the time we have associated parrots with pirates, however, it turns out African gray parrots are nothing like the greedy, treasure-seeking criminals. According to a study published in Current Biology in 2020, parrots voluntarily help each other obtain food rewards and perform selfless acts. New Zealand is the home to some unique parrots including Kea, Kaka, and Kakapo. Keas are large, intelligent parrots that live in alpine areas of New Zealand's South Island. They are the world's only alpine parrot and are known for their curiosity and sometimes impertinent behavior near ski fields. Pigeons can do mathematics. Pigeons can not only discriminate quantities, however, they are also able to learn abstract mathematical concepts. Pigeons are brainy, according to a new study that found they are on par with primates in terms of numerical proficiency. A latest study published in the journal Science discovered that pigeons can distinguish different amounts of number-like objects, order pairs, and learn abstract mathematical rules. In the study, the pigeons were asked to compare 9 images, each containing a different number of objects. The researchers found that the birds were able to rank the images in order the number of objects they contain. Apart from humans, only rhesus monkeys have revealed these equivalent skills. Pigeons have just tied with non-human primates in terms of math proficiency. Giant anteaters have 2 feet long tongues. Anteaters do not have teeth. However, their long tongues are more than enough to lap up around 35,000 ants and termites they swallow each day. Anteaters are not aggressive, however, they can be fierce. Their claws are some 4 inches long and they can fight off even a puma or jaguar. They are listed as a vulnerable species and considered extinct in Guatemala, El Salvador, and Uruguay. Giant anteaters are also being frequently killed by road traffic in the Brazilian Cerrado biome, where a vast network of roads has disrupted their habitat. Frogs can freeze without dying. Warm weather brings thoughts of spring peepers for frogs. However, extreme cold is harsh for them. They can't dig down far enough into the soil to avoid the cold winter. Few of them are not lucky enough to live in warm weather. Therefore, some of them get frozen. Fortunately, they don't freeze to death. While frogs are freezing, their heart continues pumping the protective glucose around their body, however, their heart slows and eventually stops. All other organs stop functioning. The frogs don't use oxygen and actually appear to be dead. In warm weather, the frog has to go through a repair process, it means they are melting. It is too slow when they first thaw out and their body want to replace some damaged cells. However, scientists aren't sure what triggers their heart to start beating. Koala fingerprints are so close to humans that they could taint crime scenes. Like the chimpanzees, koalas have fingerprints super similar to our own. The loops, the whorls, the fact that the patterns are completely unique to each individual koala. The reason for koalas having such fingerprints is still a bit of a mystery to scientists. The exceptional thing about koala fingerprints is that they seem to have evolved independently. On the evolutionary tree of life, primates and modern koalas' marsupial ancestors branched apart 70 million years ago. Few scientists think the koala's fingertip features developed much more recently in its evolutionary history, since most of its close relatives like wombats and kangaroos lack them. Zebra stripes act as a natural bug repellent. The zebra's stripes are known to protect it from blood-sucking insects, as well as acting as camouflage. Until very recent, no one actually knew why they sport their unusual striped pattern. This question had been discussed 150 years ago by some great biologists like Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace. Since then, many ideas have been put on the table, however, in the last few years there have been serious attempts to test them. The ideas fall into 4 main categories. 1. Zebras are striped to evade capture by predators. 2. Zebras are striped for social reasons. 3. Zebras are striped to keep cool. 4. Zebras have stripes to avoid attack by biting flies. Finally, the last one proved to be right. The traditional body paintings with monochrome shades of tribespeople in Africa, Australia and Papua New Guinea may also provide protection from the blood-sucking horseflies which are plenty in those areas. There are numerous amazing facts about animals that can't be covered in a single video. I will bring up some more interesting facts about animals in my next video. Therefore, stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel to get more such amazing facts. Don't forget to like and share it. Thank you for watching.